Hi there and welcome to this class. Let's solve this particular problem in the study of physics. Let's look at a problem under resistor. So last class we dealt with a sample problem under resistor. This is the part 2 to the example. So let's look at how we can possibly evaluate this particular problem using the knowledge of resistor. If you are not familiar with Resistor, if this is your first time, I'll drop the link to introduction to Resistor in the description below in the video description, right? So go there and check the link there to take you directly to our previous classes where we dealt with Resistor introduction, right? Let's look at how this is possible. It says, considering the following circuits, complete the table. All right, I have this circuit here. So in this circuit here, I have three resistors, R1, R2, R3, where the R1 is 120 ohms, R2 is 180 ohms, and R3 is 270 ohms. That's case 1. Case 2 is that this circuit have a voltage of 15 voltage. Alright, I have this place. It says I'm has to complete this table. It means I need to find this is voltage column, voltage row, let's say, current row, and resistor row, as you can see. And I have the power row. So I'm looking for voltage, current, and power for each resistor. So it means I need to find V1, V2, and V3. I need to find I1, I2, and I3, perhaps R total and I total. I'm asked to find the power at section 1, power at 2, power at 3, and total power. What do you do in this case? Yes, I did. First things first, my first task is obviously is to find my total resistor, right? Total resistor. And observe that this circuit here is simply a circuit with a resistor. And for a circuit with a resistor there, we expect two things, either in series or parallel. In this case here, this resistor R1, R2, R3, if you check this very well, and if you're familiar with our previous classes, this simply R1, R3, sorry, R1, R2, R3 obviously are arranged in parallel. If you are in our previous classes, you should know why this one is in parallel. So I'm saying this please, solution. So we said that both R1, R2, and R3 are in parallel. All right, so we know that R1, R2, R3 are